Back to Kids Learning Express. Write the position of the fruits. Okay, I have drawn few pictures of fruits. So I have written it here. We are going to write the position, which position this fruit. Okay, let me see each one by one. Okay, pineapple is in dash position. Okay, this is pineapple. So this is in second position. So can write second position. Strawberry is in dash position. Strawberry is in number 6. So you can write sixth position. Dash is on first position. So already they have written first. It means first. First in this picture we have to see and we have to write the fruit's name. So that is apple. Apples is a first position. Banana are in dash position. Banana is in fifth position. So fifth is a banana position. Dash is a third position. See, mangoes. Mango is in third position. Pomegranate is a dash position. Pomegranate. See the pomegranate fourth position. No, right here fourth. Okay. Today we have learned position. Okay, children. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt in this, please ask me in comment so I can clarify with you. Please like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you for watching this video, friends.